Okay, but students, in this question number 1 it is said to solve the following methods by elimination and cross multiplication. So we will not be doing elimination and substitution. So substitutions we will not be doing, because substitutions already I have taught you in the last lecture, that is lecture number 27. Those who have not watched it, you can go to your channel, go to my channel Kumar sir, and that video is available there. That substitutions method. Okay, so in this videos let us learn the elimination method. So number 1, question number 1, it is said 1 B1. Okay, just a minute. So B1. Okay, so in B1 what is the questions? 1. The question is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So this is the questions given. So we will be using the methods. So what method we are going to use? We are going to use substitutions. Okay, eliminations method. Elimination okay, eliminations method. Okay, so elimination method we are going to use. So first of all, this is the given question. So what we will be doing now, we will be writing here x plus y is equal to question number equal to 5, equation number 1, and 2x minus 3y equal to 4, equation number 2. So the first work we have to do in elimination is, choice is yours, which one you are going to eliminate it. Okay, so let's assume that we are going to eliminate y. Elimination means one of the term has to be eliminated, either x or y. Choice is yours. So we will eliminate y. Why I have selected y? Because y, you see here it is positive, here it is negative. So it will be easy for eliminations. You can eliminate even x also, but both is positive, so it will be little difficult. Okay, so let us do eliminate y term. So for eliminating here, y is what? 3. What is the coefficient of y here? 3. And what is the coefficient of y here? 1. So with opposite coefficient we will be multiplying. So we'll write here multiplying equation 1. Equation 1. What is the coefficient here? 3 or not? So multiplying equations 1 by 3 and equations, what is the coefficient here? 1. So multiplying equation 2 by 1. Got it? So when you will multiplying, what you will get? So multiplying equation 1 by 3. So when you multiply equation 1 by 3, x plus y equal to 5 into 3. So you will be getting here 3x plus 3y equal to 15. That is equation number 3. Now again multiplying equations 2 by 1. Equation 2 by 1. So with 1, if you are multiplying 2x minus 3y equal to 4 into 1. So whole thing into 1. So it will be same only, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. This is your equation number 4. Now what we will be doing, students, we will be, as you can see, 3y positive, 3y negative. So if, remember this point, if the terms which you are going to eliminate, it has opposite sign, then we are going to add it. Okay, but if the terms which you are going to eliminate, it has same sign, then we will be subtracting it. Here sign is opposite, here 3 is minus and here it is plus. So we'll write here adding equations 3 and equation number 4. Adding equation 3 and 4. So when you will add it, you will write it like this: 3x plus 3y equal to 15, and here it will be what? 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So add it. So in additions there is no change in sign. So 3y cancel, plus 3y minus 3y cancel. So it will be here 5x equal to 19. So x is equal to 19 by 5. Okay, so we got the value of x, students. Now we are going to find out the value of y. So this value of x, you can put it in any one of the equation out of the four, any one. So I will put it in equation number 1 because it is simple. So we are writing here, putting x equal to 19 by 5 in equation number 1. So x equal to 19 by 5 in equation number 1. So what it will be? It will be 19 by 5 plus y equal to 5. So y will be equal to this 19 by 5. If you take this side, then it will become 5 minus 19 by 5. So it will be equal to what? 25 minus 19 by 5. So 25 minus 19, it will give us what? 6 by 5. So this is your answer, dear students. You can take it down. Then we shall go to the next question. Okay. Hope you have taken down. Now we shall move to the next questions. Question number 2. Okay. So the next questions we are going to do is question number 2. So what is the questions? Let me write it. Question number 2, here it is, this one. 3x plus 4y equal to 10, and the next equation is 2x minus 2y equal to 2. Okay, so this is the questions. Now we'll start with the solutions. Okay, so what we will write here? We will write solutions. Okay, in the solutions, what we will be writing? Again, same thing, you have to write 3x plus 4y equal to 10. So it will be equal to what? Equation number 1. And here 2x minus 2y equal to 2, equation number 2. Now dear students, here also luckily, see here this x term both are same sign, but y term you see there is opposite sign. So that means what? We are going to make the y, we are going to eliminate the y terms. How will we eliminate? By multiplying 1 by the coefficient of y in equation number 2 and by multiplying 4 in equation number 2. Whatever terms we are going to eliminate, that one the coefficient you have to multiply with the given equation. So we are writing here multiplying equation 1. So what is the coefficient of y in equation 2? 2. So equation 1 you are multiplying by 2, and equations 2 we are going to multiply equation 2 by what is the coefficient of y in equation 1? 4. So and equations 2 by 4. This one will multiply with this and this one will multiply with this. Okay, like this we are doing. So when we are multiplying equation 1 by 2, then we will write it like this: 3x plus 4y equal to 2 into 10. So when you multiply it, it will be what? How much? 2 into 3, how much? 6x. 2 into 4, 8y equal to 20. Equation number 3. Now we are multiplying equation 2 by how much? 4. So equation 2 you have to multiply by 4. So it will be 4, 2x minus 2y equal to 2 into 4. So it will be 8x minus 8y equal to 8. Equation number 4. So as you can see here in equation number 3 there is plus 8y, and equation number 4 we got what? Minus 8y. Both are opposite. So as I have told you in the previous questions that if the sign is opposite, then we are going to do what? Additions. So we will be writing here adding. Procedure is same. Okay, adding equations 3 and 4. So when you add equations 3 and 4, you will be getting what? 6x plus 8y equal to 20, and this side it will be 8x minus 8y equal to 8. So when we are adding it, there is no change in sign, as I have already told you. This plus 8y minus 8y will get cancelled, and 6 plus 8x, it will be 14x. This one will be 28. So your x will be equal to what? 28 divided by 14, it will be 2. So the value of x we got how much? 2. So this value of x equal to 2, you can substitute in any one of the equations. So for me, I'll go for substituting in equation number 2. You can substitute in any one. There are 4 equations, any one you can substitute. So putting, since equation 2 is smaller number, so I'm putting there, putting x equal to 2 in equation number 2. So I'm substituting here. So 2 into x is there. So x value, how much we have? 2 minus, what is there? Minus 2y. So minus 2y equal to 2. So it becomes 4 minus 2y equal to 2. So minus 2y equal to this 4. If you bring this side, it will be how much? 2 minus 4. So it will be equal to minus 2 equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel. Y equal to 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. So here we got the value of x how much? 2, and the value of y is how much? 1. Okay, dear students. So this is your question number 2. You can take it down. Then we shall proceed to the next question. Now we shall go for question number 3. I hope all of you are understanding this elimination method is very easy and plus very important for your board examinations. Elimination, cross multiplications, and one is substitution and completing the square. These are the important methods which are generally asked in your examinations. Okay. So question number 3 here it is. 3x minus 5y equal minus 4 equal to 0, and another one is 9x equal to 2y plus 7. So this is the questions given. Okay, now we are going to find out the solutions for this. Okay, so let's start the solutions. So solutions here. First of all, we'll arrange the equations properly. We'll take the constant term on the left hand side, okay, right hand side, sorry. So it will be what? 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0. So again, we will take one more steps. So it will be 3x minus 5y. This 4y we are taking this side, so it will be plus 4, equation number 1. Okay, next what we are writing? 9x equal to 2y plus 7. I think this question it is asked in 2020 in NBSC for 3 marks. So dear students, practice it properly. Okay, so this 2y we are moving this side, then it will become minus 2y equal to 7, equation number 2. So dear students, in previous 2 questions we have seen that y term it is always coming in opposite sign, but now it is coming in the same sign. So choice is yours, whichever you want to eliminate, you can eliminate it. Okay, so let's eliminate again y only. So we'll write multiplying equations 1 by equation 1. We are going to multiply with the coefficient of this y. How much it is? 2. And equations 2 by, what is the coefficient of y here? 5. So it will be 5. So when you multiply it, let's write it 3x minus 5y equal to 4 into 2. So it will comes to 6x minus 10y equal to 8. This is your equation number 3. Now next equation is what? Equation 2. We are going to multiply by how much? 5. So 5, 9x minus 2y equal to 7 into 5. So it comes to 45x minus 10y equal to 35. This is your equation number 4. Okay. Dear students, so this is equation number 4. Now you see here the terms which we have made it equal, that is y term, we have made it equal, okay, by multiplying with the coefficient of each other, okay, but the sign here it is what? Minus minus. So as I have already told you, dear students, if the sign is opposite in equation number 3 and 4, the terms which we are going to cancel, the term which we are going to cancel is y term, and if the sign of y term is opposite, then we are going to add. But here you see both the y terms, they have the same sign, so we have to subtract it, okay. So we are writing here subtracting, okay, subtracting equation 3 and equation 4. So when we are here, we are what we are doing, we are subtracting equation 3 and 4. So equation 3 and 4 we are subtracting, so we'll write it here 45x minus 10y equal to 35. This is equation number 4, and equation number 3 is what? 6x minus 10y equal to 8. So subtracting means there will be a change in sign. So here sign is plus, this is plus, so it will become minus, here minus, so it will become plus, here it is plus, so it is minus. So 10y minus and 10y plus cancel. 45 minus 6, it will be 39, okay. 45 minus 6 is 39, and here 35 minus 8, it will give us how much? 7 and 2, 27. So x will be equal to 27 divided by 39, which is equal to 9, 3 9s are 27 and 3 13s are 39. So we got the value of x. Now we will substitute in any one of the equations and you will get the value of y. So we are going to put this value in equation number 1. So we'll write here, putting x equal to 9 by 13 in equation number, which equations? Equation number 1. So when you are putting it, then what we will get? 3x is there. So in place of x we will write 9 by 13 minus 5y equal to 4. So we'll write it here 4. In the next, if you multiply, then it comes to 27 by 13 minus 5y equal to 4. So this one you will shift it this side, so minus 5y, this one is plus, if it comes this side then minus, so 4 minus 27 by 13. So it comes to 52 minus 27 by 13 minus 5y. So when you subtract from 50 to 27, you will be getting what? It will be 5 and this one is 4 and 2, 25 by 13. Therefore y is equal to 25 minus 13 by 5. So 5 5s are cancelled, so minus 5 by 13. So your y value will be how much? Minus 5 by 13. Okay, so you can take it down this one, students. Okay, I hope that all of you have taken down. Now let's move to the next questions. That is question number 4, which is the last question of B1. Okay. -1. Now proceed. So you will get 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. This is your equation number 1. Now equation number 2 will write here x minus y by 3 equal to 3. So here nothing is there, means 1, LCM will be how much? 3. So it will comes to 3x minus y equal to 3, which is equal to 3x minus y equal to 9. Equation number 2. So as you can see here in equation number 1 and equation number 2, you can clearly see that equation number 1 there is 4y is positive, and equation number 2 y term is negative. So here these two terms we are going to make it equal. So for that, what we are doing, multiplying. Okay, this means what? Multiplying equations 1. Then what is the coefficient of y in equation 2? 1. So you will multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2. So what is the coefficient of equation multiplying equations 1 by 1 and equations 2? So what is the coefficient of y in equation number 1? 4. So with this 4 you have to multiply equation number 2 by 4. So when you do that, you will be getting 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 into 1, and here it will be equal to 1. So it will be 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6, equation number 3. Okay, now equation number 2 you have to multiply by 4. So you have to write 4 into 3x minus 4y equal to 9 into 4. So it will come 9 4s are 12x, and then 4y equal to 36, equation number 4. So as you can see, equation number 3 there is positive 4y, and equation number 4 there is negative 4y. Both are opposite in sign. So what we have to do, you have to add up. Okay, so you write here adding. If opposite sign are there, then adding equations 3 and equation number 4. So when we add equation 3 and 4, then you will get 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6, and here it is what, equation number 4, 12x minus 4y equal to 36. So it will be cancelled, and this one it will come to 15x equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 divided by 15, which is equal to 2. So we got the value of x, how much? 2. Now this value of x we are going to substitute in any one equations, and we will get y. So we'll write here, okay, putting equations or you can, I think you have completed this side, so let me erase it. Okay, this side you have taken down, so let me erase it. Okay, so you will write here putting x equal to 2 in equation number 2. It's your choice, whichever equation you want to substitute, you can substitute 3 into x, so 3 into 2 minus y equal to 9. So it will be 6 minus y equal to 9. So minus y equal to 9, and this 6, if it comes this side, minus. So y equal to 3, which is equal to y equal to minus 3. So we got the value of x and y. Both the value you got it by eliminations method. Okay, dear students. Okay, you can take it down. Okay, then we'll go to the second part, that is word problem on this exercise. Okay, dear students, so take it down. And it is 1. Solutions we are going to do. This is the word problem. Okay, this is word problem related questions, and same method we are going to do. Okay, so what is the questions? Let me read out. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction is reduced to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fractions? So in the fractions, you know very well there is a numerator and denominator. So we don't know that numerator and denominator. So what we will be doing? We will assume let the numerator, let your numerator be x. Okay, and the denominator be y. This is our assumptions. We have assumed it. Numerator is what? X, and the denominator is what? Y. So if numerator is x and denominator is y, then the fraction will be what? If our fractions, it will be equal to numerator, fractions will be equal to what? Numerator by denominator. So numerator is what? X and denominator is what? Y. Okay. Now case 1. There are two conditions given, so we'll write it case 1, case 2. In the first case, what it is said, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that means numerator is x, so we are adding 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. It is said, then what is the fractions? The fraction changes to or reduces to 1. So the fraction is 1. Fine. Now what we will be doing? We will be doing a cross multiply now. Okay. So you will get what? X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So this one you take this side, this one, and this y you bring this side. So it will become x minus y equal to this 1. If you take that side, then minus y into minus 1, then minus 1 into minus 1. So it becomes x minus y equal to minus 2. This is your equation number 1. Now we are going to see the case number 2. So case 2, what it is said, let's see. Case 2. In the case 2, it is said, if it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. Only add 1 to the denominator. Means in numerator we are not adding anything. Only in denominator we are adding what? 1. So y plus 1. Then the fraction is becoming how much? Half. So it will be 1 by 2. Now again same thing, you have to do cross multiplications. So when you cross multiply, it becomes what? Like this. So 2 into x, and this one it will become y plus 1. So if you bring this y this side, it becomes 2x minus y equal to 1, equation number 2. Okay, got it? So dear students, now we are going to do elimination method, but before doing multiplication and all, let's first see what are the conditions. See here it is already x, here it is 2x. Okay, fine, both are not equal. Here it is minus y, this one also it's minus y. So no need to go for multiplications. Directly you can do what? If I told you in the last questions that if both the terms which we are going to eliminate, and if they are same, and the sign is also same, then we are going to subtract. There you see minus y, both is minus or not, so no need to multiply, it is already ready-made equal. Only the sign is equal, same, so we have to make it opposite by how? By subtracting it. So we'll write here subtracting. Okay, subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So when you subtract equation 1 and equation 2, so you get what? X minus y equal to minus 2, and here it is what? 2x minus y equal to 1. So subtracting means sign will be changed. This is plus, so it will become minus. This is minus, so plus, and this is minus. So this one and this one get cancelled. Minus 2x minus x. So it will be how much? Minus x, and here it will be minus 3. So cancel. So x equal to, we got how much? 3. Now this value of x you substitute in any one equations, or you just put it in any one equation, you will get the y. So let's write, putting x equal to 3 in equation number 1. So x equal to 3, if you put, then 3 minus y equal to minus 2, then minus y equal to minus 2 in minus 3. So it will go minus 5. Y minus minus cancel, so y equal to 5. So we got what? Y equal to 5 and x equal to 3. So we'll write here what? Therefore fraction equal to x by y. X value is how much? 3. Y value is 5. So this is your answer. Okay students, take it down. Okay, if you have completed, then let's go to the next question. Okay, it's very easy. This chapter is very easy, and this elimination method is also very easy. Like this kind of word problem, there students, sometimes it may come for 5 marks in your board examinations. Okay, or generally it comes for 3 marks. So you have to practice very well. Okay, now we are going to discuss question number 2. Okay, so what is given here? 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. How old is Nuri and Sonu? So what we'll do in this kind of question, first of all, their present age we have to consider it as X. So let Nuri present age be X years. Let Nuri present age be X years. Sonu present age be Y years. Okay, Sonu present age be Y years. Now what they are telling, the first condition is what? 5 years ago. So we'll write here 5 years ago. 5 years ago means the present age is X now. 5 years ago means 5 years aage the. So in order to know, suppose my present age is 30 and 5 years ago, what will be my present age? 30 minus 5, so you will get 25, right or not? So same way, present age is X, 5 years ago age will be what? X minus 5. So Nuri's age will be what? 5 years ago, Nuri age equal to X minus 5, and the Sonu age will be what? Sonu age will be Y minus 5. Okay, now we are going to go as per question, that is case 1. Okay, in case 1, what it is said, 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So Nuri age is X minus 5 and Sonu age is Y minus 5. So Nuri age was equal to 3 times the age of Sonu, so 3 times. Okay, so you will multiply now X minus 5, 3 into Y, 3Y, 3 into minus 5, 15. So Y term you bring this side, so X minus 3Y, and this 5 you take that side, so it will be minus 15 plus 5. So X minus 3 equal to minus 10. Equation number 1. Okay, so that is equation number 1. It is not equation number 2, 1. So now in the second conditions, what they're saying, 10 years later means after 10 years. So we'll write here 10 years later. Okay, so 10 years later, what we will be doing it, so 10 years later Nuri age will be what? Let's write Nuri's age equal to X plus 10, and what will be Sonu's age? Sonu age equal to Y plus 10. So this is their age after 10 years. That means what? My present age is suppose 30, and after 10 years it will be how much? 40. 30 plus 10. So similarly, after 10 years Nuri's age will be X plus 10 and Sonu age will be Y plus 10. Now case 1, what are the conditions they have given? So case 1, the conditions are 2. This is case 2. The conditions they have given is Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So Nuri's age is what? Nuri's age is X plus 10 and Sonu's age is Y plus 10. So Nuri is twice as old as Sonu. Nuri is twice as old as Sonu. So X plus 10 and multiply it, 2 into Y, 2Y, 2 into 10, 20. So this Y term you bring this side, so X minus 22Y, and this 10 you take that side, 20 minus 10. So X minus 2Y equal to 10. Okay, so this is your equation number 2. Okay, now you see equation number 1 and equation number 2, Y term you see they are different, minus 3Y, and here it is minus 2Y. So if you want to eliminate Y term, you have to multiply with their coefficient. better, in order to avoid that multiplication, you see x term, both are equal and sign is same, so you just subtract it. So we'll write here subtracting equations 1 and 2. So when we are subtracting equation 1 and 2, so we'll write it x minus 3y equal to minus 10, and here it will be x minus 2y equal to 10. So subtracting minus, this one will become plus and this one will be minus. So this one is cancelled. So plus 2y minus 3y, so it will be minus y, and then minus 10 it will be minus 20, minus cancel, so 20. Okay, so y we are getting what? 20. Now we are going to find out the x. So this value you can put it in any one equation. So let's put it in equation number 1, putting y equal to 20 in equation 1. So when you put y equal to 20 in equation number 1, then you will get x equal to 3 into 20 equal to minus 10. So it will be x equal to minus 60 equal to minus 10. So x will be equal to minus 10 plus 60, which is equal to, we are getting 50. Okay, got it? So you got how much x equal to? You are getting x equal to 50. Got it or not? Okay. So dear students, first of all you take it down, then we'll proceed further in the questions. Okay. Okay. So I hope you have taken down. Okay, so now let me complete the questions. Let me conclude. So x we got how much? 50. Y we got 20. So we'll write x is the age of what? Nuri. Okay, so you will be writing it here what? Therefore Nuri present age equal to how much? 50 years. And Sonu present age equal to y, that is y how much? 20. So 20 years. Okay, so this is the solutions to question number 2. Hope dear students you have completed it. Okay, so let me rough it. So this question is not at all tough, but the thing is that you have to understand the questions properly. That is the thing. Okay, how we have taken down? Okay, now we shall go to question number next question number we are doing is question number 3. Okay, so question number 3, what is given here? Let us see. The sum of the 2-digit number is 9. Okay, also the 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Find the number. So what we'll write here, let the unit digit be x and 10th digit be y. So we are assuming, suppose some numbers are there 95. So here unit place is what? 5, and 10th place is what? 9. So how we will be writing? 5 plus 9. This is in 10th place, so multiply by 10. So 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Like this we have learned it in the childhood, right? So 95, 9 into 10 plus 5. Because it lies in the 10th place, so it will be multiplied with 10. If it lies in 100th place, it will be multiplied with 100. Okay. So we have assumed that let the unit digit be x and the 10th digit be y. Fine. So number will be what? Number equal to, unit digit is what? X. So always plus, and 10th digit is what? Y. So that means 10 into y. This will be the number, right? Now they have said that the digits are reversed. Means unit digit has come to 10 and 10 digit has gone to unit. So reversed number. Reversed number. So reverse number will be 10x plus y. Okay, fine. Now case 1. So case 1, what is here? What is given in the questions? The sum of the two digit is 9. Yeah, the sum of the two digit is 9. So what is our digits? X and y. So we'll write here x plus y is equal to 9. Equation number 1. Now case 2, what they are telling? Case 2, 9 times the number is twice the number of 10 by reversing. 9 times the number. So this is the number 9 times. So 10y plus x equal to twice the number of 10 by reversing. This is number of 10 by reversing, so 2 times. So 2x plus y. So multiply it, it will give us 90y plus 9x, and this one will be 20x plus 2 into y, 2y. So bring all this term this side, so it will be 9x minus 20x plus 90y minus 2y equal to 0. This side nothing is left, no constant term, so it is 0. So 9 minus 20 will be 11x, and this one will be 88y equal to 0. As you can see, dear student, it is both the number are divisible by 11. So let's divide it. Minus x plus 8y equal to 11, 8 by 88. So equal to 0. Equation number 2. Fine. So now simple. What we are going to do? Adding equations 1 and 2. So we'll write it, because see, 1 is x minus and here x is plus. So no need to multiply. Both is already equal and sign is also opposite. So add it. So adding equation 1 and equation 2. So when we add equation 1 and 2, x plus y is equal to 9 minus x plus 8y equal to 0. So this one and this one get cancelled. This becomes how much? 8 and plus 1, 9y equal to 9. So y equal to 9 divided by 9, which is equal to 1. So we got the value of y 1. So this value we'll put it in equation number 1. Y equal to 1 in equation number 1, and we'll get x. So we'll write here putting y equal to 1 in equation number 1. So x plus 1 equal to 9. So x equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So we got x equal to 8, y equal to 1. So they are asking the numbers. Okay. So we'll write therefore number equal to, what will be the number? Number equal to, what is it? 10y. Y value is how much? 1. So 10 into y. 1. And what is the x value we got? 8. So we'll get here 10 into 1, 10 plus 8, which is equal to 18. So our number is what? 18. Got it? The required number here we got is 18. Okay, dear students, take it down. Then we shall go to the next question. Okay, so now let us go to the next questions. Question number 4, now let us do it. Question number 4. So in question number 4, what it is said, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. Okay. she asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. That means Mina is the name of a girl. She went to a bank to withdraw how much rupees? 2000 rupees. And she have put a conditions before the cashier that she wants the amount in, let 50 rupees not be X, and let sorry, you don't write like this. Let the number of 50 rupees, let the number of 50 rupees not be X, and number of rupees 100 not be Y. Okay, so we are assuming that how many 50 rupees notes she got? X, and how many 100 rupees notes she got? Y. So it will be as in case 1 it is said, what? Case 1, total notes she got is how much? 25. So we'll write here X plus Y. This is number of 50 rupees, this is number of 100 rupees. So total together she got 25. So this is your equation number 1. Now case 2. In the case 2, what it is said? Case 2 it is said, she asked for the cashier, okay, she got total 2000 rupees. Out of that 50 is 100 rupees, 50 rupees note is X and 100 rupees note is Y. So we'll write here 50X. Total rupees is how much? Total amount she got is how much? 2000. So 2X and 100 rupees note is how much? Y. So it will be equal to 2000. Okay. So as you can see, all are divisible by in all there is 0, so 1 0, you reduce it. So you just divide it by 50. So 51 is 50, 52 is 100, and 50 cancels, then it will be 40. Okay, so it will be 40. Equation number 2. As you can see, there is given X and X, both is positive, same, and their sign is also same, so we will subtract. So we'll write here subtracting equations 1 and equation 2. So subtracting equation 1 and 2, so it will be X plus Y equal to 25, and here it will be X plus 2Y equal to 40. So when you subtract, sign will change, minus, minus, and this one will be minus. X cancel, X positive, X negative cancel, so here it will be minus Y, Y minus 2Y, so minus Y, and here it will be 5 and then 1, minus 15 cancel, so Y equal to 15. So we got the value of Y 15. Okay, so now we will put this value of Y in any one of the equation and get X. So we'll write here putting Y equal to 15 in equation number 1. Okay, so we'll substitute the value of Y in equation number 1. So we'll get X plus 15 equal to 25. So X is equal to 25 minus 15, which is equal to 10. So we got the value of X also and Y also. So we'll write here, therefore number of rupees 50 notes equal to X is how much? 10. So it will be 10, and number of rupees 100 notes equal to how much? 50. So this is your answer. Hope dear students you have understood. It's very easy. Now let us move to the last question of this exercise, and with this we will be concluding today's sessions. Okay, so I hope you have taken it down. Now let us go for the last questions of today, of this exercise, not today. Okay, so dear students, see, mathematics means what? You have to do practice. If you are not practicing it, some of you have seen, you are simply watching the videos, okay, and by running it, okay, simply you are skipping and watching, then that way it will not work. You have to watch thoroughly, properly, like you are watching the movies. In that way you have to watch it, then only you will understand the concepts, or else very difficult. Okay, so let's do the last questions. Okay, last questions, that is what it is said, a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge for each 3 days thereafter. Okay, Sarita paid 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid 21 for the book kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge on each extra day. So we'll write here, let the fixed charge be X and charge per day be an extra charge per day be Y. Okay, fine. So what it is said, additional charge. So Sarita's case 1. So in the case 1, what we will be doing, dear students, see, it is Sarita's paid 27 rupees for 7 days. 7 days she have taken the book. For that she paid 27 rupees. But one thing is fixed: first three days they are charging X rupees. So that one is X. So remaining how many days is left out of 7? 3 days. So she have paid X rupees. And how much is the remaining? 4 days. So for that 4 days she have paid extra, which will be, and she have given together 27 rupees. So this is your equations. Case 2. In case 2, what it is said, Susie paid 21 rupees for kept for 5 days. She kept the book for 5 days. So 3 days का तो compulsory X rupees. Remaining out of 5, 3 days is X rupees, and remaining how many days are there? Extra 2. So 2Y equal to 21 rupees. Question number 2. So here also you see X both are same, and sign is also same. So we have to subtract. So we'll write here subtracting equations 1 and equation number 2. So X plus 4Y equal to 27 and X plus 2Y equal to 21, minus cancel. So what it will be? 2Y equal to 6. So Y is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Now we'll put this value in equation number 1 or 2, whichever you want to put. So we'll write putting Y equal to 3 in equation number, let's say 1. So X plus 4, and what is the value of Y we got? 3 equal to 27. So X is equal to 27. This is 12. So minus 12. So it will be 5 and 1. So 5 and 1, 15. So we'll write here, therefore fixed charge is equal to rupees 15 extra or additional extra charge per day equal to rupees 3. So this is your answer, dear students. So I hope today's sessions you have enjoyed it. The video has become a little lengthy because I thought of doing all the entire exercise in one video, so that's why it is becoming a little lengthy. Sorry for it. Okay, dear students, so this is exercise 3.4, and I hope that all of you are practicing and you are at home and learning the mathematics properly. Okay, so I hope and pray that all of you are safe and sound and you are learning your lessons properly. Okay, and if you are new to the channel, dear students, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends your channel Kumar sir, okay, so that in the future you can